Okay, now we're going to have a look at formatting numbers. I'm just going to go to the average contracts here. You can see that they are at 1 decimal place at the moment. I'll just scroll down and select them. If I go up to number here on my ribbon, I've got various number formats I could choose. Just give you a moment to look at those. I also have an accounting number format whereby I could put a euro or a dollar or a pound sign in front of the values. I could make them percentages as well. I could use a thousand separator, that's where you'd have 1,000. Or I can increase or decrease the decimal. If I was to increase the decimal for these, I'll get 2 decimal places, and so on. I'll just bring that back to 1. Because the number has its own dialog box. This is part of the format cells that we were looking at the moment. And there are more options you can do from here. You can choose the category. We're dealing with numbers, but there are other types of categories. And at the moment it's set at one decimal place. I'll just increase that to 2. And I could use a thousand separator, except as you can see here, I've nothing above 56. I'll just go OK to that to give it 2 decimal places. Excel will round up decimal places. So for example, if you change the first one here to 56.6, it would actually turn it into 56.7, and with this one it would go to 53.3. I'll just demonstrate that by selecting those. It rounds up above 5 and rounds down below 5. So I'll just decrease the decimal and it just rounds it up.